How to set up and add security phone number on Freelancer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up security number on your account on Freelancer. So all what you have to do is go to freelancer.com and log into your account, or you can create one if you don't have. Now after you go to the Freelancer, this is the home page. Go to the top corner on your name and click on settings, and now scroll all the way down. You will find security phone number and click on set up security number right here. Choose the country that you want and add the phone number from here. As you can see, for example, you can add the phone number here and click send verification code. It's actually very easy. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.